It's gone, girl. Christina's gone. Who's spilling? I want to know. I'm just a girl. I'm gonna want to switch it up, you know? Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Girl, it's been a minute, okay? I'm not gonna hold you. It's been a really long time since I picked up the vlog camera. It's probably been about 2 or 3 weeks. I'm not gonna lie to you, the winter uglies was really getting to me, okay? I was feeling hella depressed, hella down, like I was just in my feelings. But today I am feeling so much better, so much more uplifted. I'm feeling really good. All of last week I was like, that's it, I've had it. Like, I'm gonna get my ass up and do what I need to do, and that is it. Like, I'm tired of feeling down. I'm tired of like letting this nasty, cloudy energy just get to me, and I gotta get up and do what I gotta do. Every day I look at my vision board and I'm like, are my actions reflecting my vision board? I got my ass up and I went back to the gym. Some of you guys may know I started my whole anti-inflammatory journey, and I was really consistent at the gym. And I'm not gonna lie, I fell off because of, you know, the holidays got to me, and then everything that happened with my family. So I got caught up on like a lot of personal stuff, and I was just letting my feelings dictate my life. And so I was like, you know what, no, we need to get back on track. Okay, I have been able to like keep a lot of my inflammation down, which is really good. Yeah, your girl is back at it again. Okay, we're on week 2 of being consistent, and today is such a beautiful day. It was literally 70 degrees today. I already took advantage of the day. It's already around, it's 4:38 right now. Yeah, I'm gonna be in for the rest of the day. I don't think I'm gonna go back out, although I kind of want to go for another round of walking. I did my fasted walk already this morning, and then I went to the gym and I ran some errands. So I did soak up a lot of sun today. So that's probably why I feel so damn good today. I'm like, yes, we're back at it. So yeah, you guys, I just want to reset my house, because you know how it is, like once the warm weather comes in, you open those windows and I'm like, yeah, I need to like dust things down. I need to clean the floors. I need to like do a whole little reset. I also made myself an iced coffee. I haven't had an iced coffee in so long, but I felt like today was well deserved. Okay, it was literally so damn nice outside. The sun is shining. Tomorrow's gonna be like that as well, so that's why I really want to do like a full reset and get my life together. By the way, you guys, how cute is my cup? I got it at HomeGoods. I do have a HomeGoods haul that I want to share with you guys later on. I got a couple of cute things for like, you know, springtime, and I also been really thinking about what I'm gonna do in my space, because right now, as you guys know, everything's like pink and brown in my living room, and in my kitchen I have elements of green, and you guys know that in my bedroom I have elements of burgundy right now. So burgundy is gonna be kind of heavy for the springtime. Yeah, I've been brainstorming in my head like what color combos I kind of want to do. You know what, let's get into the haul right now, and then let's start cleaning. All right, y'all, if I'm out of breath, it's because I just ran downstairs. I'm a little out of breath. Like, I just ran upstairs and ran back down to show you guys everything I got. So first things first are these kitchen towels. I love the design and the color combo. It's very me. You guys already know I'm very into blue, very into green. I got so excited when I saw these, and I was like, yes, this matches my kitchen perfectly. So I put them on right away, and hopefully I could find some like curtains that match them, because I could technically leave the ones I have now, but like, I'm just a girl. I'm gonna want to switch it up, you know. The next thing I got are these faux flowers. This actually smells really nice, and I love the color, like this little peach color. I feel like it was a nice little addition, like to give it a nice pop of color in my house. You guys already know I love my little diffusers, so I got this one for the bathroom. And if you guys see this brand in HomeGoods, grab it because their stuff smells so amazing. I have a lemon one here in my kitchen. This smells so strong. Like every time someone comes in my kitchen and it's near the sink and they smell this, they're like, yo, this smells amazing. I don't know, like their projection is really, really nice. Of course, once I saw that the HomeGoods had this one for spring, I was like, yes, you're coming home with me. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's really nice and clean, and it has like this dusty pink color label. So I just thought that was really nice, and it smells really good too. I will be that person in HomeGoods opening the box and smelling it. Like, I don't give a damn. And then of course, you guys already know how I am with my sage green. I got sage green towels for spring, and these feel so soft. They're 100% cotton. You guys already know how I feel about that too. And then the last thing I got, and I feel like I really won when I found this find, I got this bath rug, and I love the floral details of this, and it feels so soft. I really don't have anything like this, so I just thought it was really unique. And I love all the color patterns, like it's different elements of green. It has the blue, so it matches my kitchen, and it has some pink on it, so it'll match the diffuser. So I am still waiting for it to be a little more warm before I start putting things out for spring. But yeah, I just need to figure out like my living room situation and then my bedroom. So, you know, there's still time for all of that, but it's really nice that I just randomly went to HomeGoods and I was like, let me see what they got. And it's always when you don't have a plan that you find a bunch of cute stuff. So I'm actually glad that I went that day. And I'm sorry, forgive me for not vlogging. But I got y'all next time. On the next round, we going together. You guys, I did forget, I found one last thing in the bag. I did get this, I was gonna say camera. I got this candle. It's from Sand and Fog. This is the ocean and sea salt. Right up my alley on like the type of profiles I like for my house. Like, I don't like nothing too strong. You guys already know. I've said this like probably 100 times maybe on my channel. I know for sure I said it on my TikToks too. Like, I can't smell anything like too crazy, too strong. I don't like anything like vanilla gourmands, like anything like that will give me such a migraine. So like everything I like has to be like fresh and soft and citrusy. So this is definitely up there on the type of like scents that I like. Yeah, and I really like the bottle too. Like, how beautiful is the design? So it matches perfectly with the kitchen towels too. So this most likely will be here on my counter. I am gonna replace the winter one that I have now, which is the spiced apple. You probably saw this in my Christmas vlogs. I'm almost done with it. I've been burning it a lot so that I can get rid of it, and then we can switch over to this one. So yeah, now we're officially done with the haul, and then we're gonna go straight into the bathroom because that is where I need to clean the most. And I also got some like new PR, so I can show you guys that as well. So I do need to clean out like my storage, which we never got to do, you guys. I never did my plan of the full reset clean out, but it's still happening. I'm not gonna end the year with the same crap in here. So we're gonna go in the bathroom, we're gonna make some progress, we're gonna go through some things so I can make, you know, some room for the new PR stuff and just get rid of stuff. So let's go. All right, you guys, we're in my bathroom. So let me show you the PR stuff that I got. So we got a package from Mizani. I actually never tried anything from this brand. They sent me over the foam wrap. I guess this is like a mousse, but I don't know because it says something about set and mold. So I'm thinking like it's really about like some sort of styling, but I'll look into it. But hopefully, you know, I can use it as a regular mousse for my curls. We also got the Wonder Crown. This is like a clarifying shampoo. Oh no, it's a pre-poo. The consistency is very interesting. It kind of looks like an oil, but it also looks like a water. I'm not really sure what's in this, so I have to read like the details. And then we also got a 25 Miracle Milk leave-in. And then you guys, this was such a dream. I got something from K18. This is one of the brands that like I am dying to collaborate with. Like, they're definitely on the dream list, and they were so nice to send me over their leave-in mask. This is the Molecular Repair Hair Mask. They sent me a travel size and a full size, so I thought that was really generous. So then last time they sent me this leave-in mask, and then they also sent me the oil, and I always use the oil. I used the mask and I kind of regret that day that I didn't film it. I was just like I remember how I felt that day. I was actually really just drained, and I just wanted to do like a self-care day, and and I didn't want to film because I'm always filming, you guys. I'm always filming, always editing, and sometimes, you know, you get burnout. So yeah, I'm so glad and thankful that they sent me over another one so that I could actually film it now and share it with you guys. So as you guys already know, we went through this cabinet already, okay? I've kept her nice and neat. She's still good right now, so I don't really need to touch this part of my hair products. What we do need to tackle is down here. This is where the disaster is. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. I hope that you can see well, but I pretty much have a bunch of products in here. I just need to take everything out and just put things back in. So these were all the products that I had in there. I know it looks like a lot. That's because it is. This is excessive. First of all, I'm gonna throw out this acetone because I don't paint my nails, so there's no need for me to have this. And this is dumb expired. I'm pretty sure this is expired. This is oh my god, 2024. Yeah, this is expired. This is like for mosquitoes. Hell yeah, we're getting rid of this. If you guys have watched my previous vlog, then you already know how I feel about this brand. So F you, we don't want you in this house. Okay, we can get rid of this. I don't use this cream. I don't know why it's still here, so we can get rid of this. This is a leave-in conditioner from DR, so I am gonna keep this for sure. We're gonna get rid of this. This is a hair mask that I also got from DR, but this is expired, and honestly, I didn't like it. I tried it a few times. I didn't like my results. My hair just felt really dry. As you could tell, I only used it a few times and I just can't get with it. And plus, this is expired already, so this can go. This is also a Dominican brand. This is Rizos Chatty. This is a really nice gel. The only thing is that I kind of forgot about it, so as you could tell, it is expired, but the texture is way off. It doesn't look good. I recently made a list. This is my content creation brain right now. But I recently came up with a video idea and I wanted to use Dominican hair products, and I was gonna use this, right? But then that's when I realized that this is definitely expired because she even changed the packaging. But this is actually a really great product, and if I go back to DR, I would get another one of this with the new packaging. But I am sad to let her go, and I'm sad that I wasted my money, and I should stop doing that, and that's why I'm being more conscious of what I have. I think we're keeping the rest of this, so we're gonna just put this all back and put this in place. Oh no, wait, we're not keeping this. We're gonna get rid of this as well. I just don't use it. I don't reach for it. There's only a little bit left anyway. I don't know. I liked it when I first tried it, but like, I don't know, throughout the time, I kind of got over this product. So nothing against it. It's just not something I want to reach for, you know? So we're gonna get rid of her. All right, everything else is staying. So let's put everything back. Is this gonna fit? Son of a... God, look at that. This was spilling the whole time. Great. What product is it? Who is spilling? Who's spilling? I want to know. All right, you guys, so we're at the end. So these were the products that were all the way at the bottom, that they're too tall, so they don't fit in the other shelves, which is so annoying. This spilled all over my bottom drawer and I didn't even know it because it only smells like this product. So it spilled over these two products, which I'm just gonna get rid of these two anyway. This is the Camille Rose scalp cleansers. I just think that these just don't go well with my hair type. It doesn't really do much for me anyway. I don't know why I was holding out and keeping these, but I'm gonna just get rid of it. So we're gonna get rid of these. And we're gonna keep this, but I'm gonna keep this up here. I have to find room for it so it doesn't spill again. And hopefully this doesn't do the same thing. If it does, I'm gonna be hella tight. But we're gonna keep this on the bottom. This as well. This as well. I really like this mousse. And do you guys remember Novelise, the spray? Oh my god, make them wet spray. You remember that? Yo, should Novelise do a comeback? Because I still have a bunch of inventory. So yeah, I keep a bottle down there for for keepsake. And then the stronghold gel, we're gonna keep it down there as well because again, it's, well, does this fit? Actually, she does fit. Perfect. So she, oh, and then I can fit this here too. Because the less things I have on the bottom, the better. I'm also getting rid of this product right here. This is a natural leave-in that I got from DR. Is it focusing? I'm so sorry if it's not. It's made from the chocolate plant. The only thing though is that I got this so long ago, and as you could tell, I use it about up to here. The thing with this is that it does stain my clothes. Every time I styled my hair, it has stained, and it actually ruined one of my favorite shirts. So I was hella tight that day. So yeah, I'm gonna just get rid of it. And I did like it. So, and I would go back to that little museum that I went to. It was so random. It was in La Capital, and they had a whole bunch of stuff too. I think they had shampoo, conditioner, and all that stuff. So you know me, I love a good leave-in. So I'm gonna just get rid of it because it's just taking up space, and like I said, it's probably expired. So let's put all of this stuff on the bottom. I also, ooh, I also keep my, this is what I call my tinte bag. This is also from Noveliste. You guys remember the glam bag? I keep all of my essentials when I dye my hair. Anyways, y'all, let me put everything back and we're done. We can finally clean the rest of the bathroom. So this is my skincare drawer. I also keep my razors in here, things like that, my Q-tips. I really need to go through this stuff as well. That way I can also put in my new skincare. I got these two new things. This is called the Dynasty Cream by Beauty by Dozan, I think. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong. But this cream, you guys, I like to use this actually for makeup. This cream is crazy good, and I have used it during the daytime as well. At least my skin dumps off, like incredible. I'm loving this cream. But anyways, I also got the Rhode Glazing Milk that everyone always talks about. It's actually a really good product. The only thing for me is the scent. I hate the smell of it. But anyways, I want to make room for it. I'm pretty sure I have expired things in here that I'm already looking at. So I'm gonna just take everything out and put everything back in. So these are the products I'm getting rid of. I ran through my serums already. I'm in denial at this point. I keep trying to scrape the bottom and it's gone, girl. Christina's gone. So we're also getting rid of this because honestly, this is expired and I should not be putting this on my face. And then these little samples, I keep telling myself, I'm gonna use them, I'm gonna use them. Have I? No, it's been in my drawer for how long? Too long, so goodbye. And same thing with this cream. I ran through her as well. It's time to give her up, so bow. Moved. What the hell?